In the grand theater of the cosmos, amidst the delicate dance of planets and moons, lies a silent guardian. It does not wield weapons. It does not speak. But without it, Earth may never have had the chance to nurture life. This protector is not some science fiction character. It's not hidden deep within our oceans or buried beneath our crust. It orbits the Sun 483 million miles away. Its name is Jupiter. At first glance, it appears simply as a gas giant, a beautiful swirl of clouds and storms, known best for its immense size and iconic Great Red Spot. But behind that beauty lies power, an invisible hand shaping the fate of our solar system. And perhaps, without ever meaning to, Jupiter became Earth's greatest shield. As we peel back the layers of cosmic history, we find evidence that this massive planet has saved our world more times than we can count. From cometary collisions to asteroid bombardments, Jupiter has stood between Earth and catastrophe. And in doing so, it may have granted us the greatest gift of all, time to evolve. To understand how Jupiter protects us, we must first understand what Jupiter is. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest in our solar system, a true behemoth of gas and gravity. With a mass more than 300 times that of Earth and a volume large enough to contain over 1,300 Earths, Jupiter is a planetary juggernaut. Its magnetic field is 20,000 times stronger than Earth's, and its atmosphere is a violent mix of hydrogen, helium, and ammonia, with winds that reach speeds of up to 400 miles per hour. It's so massive that the barycenter, the point around which Jupiter and the Sun orbit, is not inside the Sun, but just above its surface. No other planet holds such sway. Despite having no solid surface, Jupiter's influence is concrete. Its moons number over 90, and some of them, like Europa and Ganymede, may even harbor subsurface oceans. But it's Jupiter's gravitational force that shapes more than its moons. It shapes destinies. This invisible gravitational pull reaches across space like an unseen hand, tugging at asteroids, comets, and space debris. And it's this force, this vast, unseen influence, that has played the role of both protector and predator in the history of our solar system. The story of Jupiter's role in saving Earth begins over 4.5 billion years ago, during the formation of the solar system. Back then, the Sun was a newborn star, and the planets were still forming from the swirling disk of gas and dust around it. The inner solar system, where Earth resides, was a violent arena of collisions, with newly forming planetesimals crashing into one another in an endless ballet of destruction and rebirth. This period, known as the Late Heavy Bombardment, was a time of celestial chaos. Asteroids the size of cities and comets made of rock and ice slammed into the rocky worlds without mercy. The scars of that era are still visible today, etched into the surface of the Moon and Mars. On Earth, the record was erased by plate tectonics and erosion, but the devastation was real. And then, in the outer solar system, a colossus was born. As Jupiter grew in mass, it began to shape the very structure of the solar system. Like a great cosmic broom, it swept up leftover debris, destabilized dangerous objects, and cleared out regions that might otherwise have become death zones for Earth. Without Jupiter, this violent era could have lasted much longer, perhaps long enough to prevent life from ever taking hold on our fragile world. Jupiter's immense gravity allows it to act as a vacuum cleaner for the solar system, sucking in or flinging away dangerous debris that might otherwise head toward Earth. One of the most iconic examples of this happened in 1994, when comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 broke into fragments and collided with Jupiter's atmosphere in a series of explosive impacts. Each strike unleashed more energy than the detonation of the world's entire nuclear arsenal. These impacts left Earth-sized scars in Jupiter's cloud tops, visible from telescopes on Earth. But what they also left behind was a terrifying realization. Had Shoemaker-Levy 9 struck Earth instead, it could have caused mass extinction, if not complete planetary devastation. Jupiter's gravity is like an enormous net, catching incoming objects before they can strike closer worlds. It has absorbed or redirected countless comets and asteroids throughout its lifetime. In fact, some astronomers believe that without Jupiter, Earth would experience 1,000 times more catastrophic impacts than it does today. It doesn't just catch the big ones, it keeps the numbers down. Jupiter constantly sculpts the orbits of objects in the Kuiper belt and the Oort cloud, limiting the number of comets that stray into the inner solar system. But Jupiter didn't always sit where it does today. According to the Grand Tack hypothesis, Jupiter once migrated inward, traveling toward the Sun before reversing course and retreating to its current orbit. This movement reshaped the early solar system in profound ways. As it moved inward, Jupiter cleared out the region between Mars and the Sun, scattering planetesimals and preventing the formation of super-Earths, massive rocky planets that are common in other solar systems. Had such a super-Earth formed in our inner solar system, it could have destabilized Earth's orbit or even collided with it. Instead, Jupiter's migration allowed a relatively calm and stable environment for Earth to evolve. Its gravitational bulldozing also created the asteroid belt, a kind of buffer zone of rocky debris that was either flung away or locked into place. The Grand Tack wasn't just a maneuver. It was a cosmic favor that gave Earth a chance to exist. Without it, our world might never have formed, or it might have been destroyed in infancy. But Jupiter's role isn't without complexity. While it often protects Earth, Jupiter can also send asteroids toward us. Its gravitational interactions can jostle objects in the asteroid belt or the Kuiper belt, redirecting them into Earth-crossing orbits. Some of the biggest impacts in Earth's history, including the one that ended the dinosaurs 66 million years ago, may have been indirectly influenced by Jupiter's gravity. In this way, Jupiter is a double-edged sword. It protects, but it also disrupts. It saves, but it also sets the stage for potential doom. Yet even in this paradox, Jupiter's influence has value. The occasional impact may have kick-started evolution, reset ecosystems, or even delivered water and organic molecules to Earth through cometary impacts. Life may not only owe its survival to Jupiter, but also its origin. As astronomers peer into distant star systems, they've discovered that many do not resemble our own. Some contain hot Jupiters, gas giants orbiting scorchingly close to their stars. Others contain tightly packed systems of rocky planets without a single gas giant to speak of. This leads us to an intriguing possibility. Is Jupiter a cosmic rarity? Without a Jupiter-like planet, would Earth-like worlds in those systems be bombarded into oblivion? Could it be that complex life requires not only a habitable zone, but also a gravitational bodyguard? Some scientists now propose that gas giants may be a key ingredient for habitability, a factor as important as liquid water or atmosphere. In this light, Jupiter becomes not just a protector of life, but a precondition for it. We gaze at the stars, seeking signs of intelligence. We dream of colonizing Mars, of voyaging to the moons of Saturn. But we rarely look to Jupiter with the reverence it deserves. It does not ask for thanks. It does not know of our existence. But it has been there, silently, faithfully, holding back the darkness. Jupiter is not a god, but it is a guardian. And in the grand story of our survival, it deserves a chapter all its own.